our trailer is at a net of break even.
Ain't nothing wrong with my finger. Must be the iPad.
You're weird. Maybe you have to explain it.
We're shoulder to shoulder. Yes.
I'm not looking anywhere. Except
Yeah.
my sunglasses on. Hey, where are we headed, honey?
We're heading to Uptown.
Uptown. Funk you up.
Uptown. You up. We're gonna do some REI shopping. Or
Looking. We are twins today.
oh yeah. I put this shirt on first.
You did. And I was lazy and didn't look for a different one.
We're going to REI. We're going
Eddie
to Eddie Bauer because I have 2 things I need to return, hopefully.
2 things.
I got 2 shirts.
Oh.
Yeah. And so we're going to go to Frontier.
Yes.
And
Tortillas and cinnamon rolls. The 2 foods we should never eat. We're eating today.
And then we're also going to go to U&M and do some...
My alma mater.
Alma mater.
Woof, woof, woof. So we have a very busy day ahead of us. We are headed out of town Wednesday, hopefully. We're having to stay here a little bit longer than initially anticipated to deal with all the car stuff. So we should be heading down to El Paso on Wednesday of this week to go hang with the boy, Kyle.
Yep. Oh, we're going to the Apple store too because my iPad
Sucks.
does not like to scroll. Either it's my finger or it's the iPad.
I think it's the screen because it didn't used to do that.
I don't think there's anything wrong with my finger. Looks fine to me.
Park right here, maybe.
Okay.
It's a little tight.
A little tight. Tight.
Got your stuff?
Got my stuff.
Shirts. iPad.
iPad.
Oh, thanks. Look at that pretty truck. Oh, thanks, honey.
Eddie Bauer. We went to Eddie Bauer. We got 2 shirts, one for her and one for me. But the cool thing is,
We turned in 2 shirts.
we turned in 2 shirts. So our trailer is at a net of break even right now.
We're trying to downsize a little bit.
Yeah, we do need to downsize. We're gonna go through the closet again.
Yeah, too much
It's only
clothes.
been
3 weeks.
27, 28 days.
28 days, you gotta downsize. We can
Time
do it.
to downsize again. All this on the sauce for later.
These tortillas are the best tortillas you'll ever have in your life. Right, honey?
They're pretty curvy, but they're good.
They're carby, but they're delicious. Like most carbs are.
here's a little after picture. So I've got a hook here, the double hook right there. This is the original hook that came with the camper. Another double hook right here. And I put this little bar in here to hook all my tools up with. Got a couple of buckets. Got a space for all my chalk blocks and things, and like the Anderson blocks will also go in here. And these orange blocks will also go in here as well.
Well, good
Good
29th of June. What is this?
January.
All right, so we're here in Albuquerque still. We plan to leave Monday, the 27th, I guess. And we need the title here so we can re-register the vehicles here because it's going to expire in like June of 2020. They shipped on the 22nd from Washington and Arizona, and now it's the 29th, and they still don't have the title here. So I'm not sure what's going on. But that's delayed us a couple days, so we're still sitting in the front yard
of my parents'
house.
Which is great. I mean, it's free, but we're kind of ready to leave.
Yeah.
And move on our trip and explore other things.
Yeah. So from here, we're going to be heading down. Once we get the title, all that stuff set up and good to go.
Which will hopefully be today or tomorrow.
Yes. we're going to head down to El Paso. We're going to hang out with Kyle for a little bit, play some golf, go to some national parks. There's like three national parks in that area.
Right in that area.
So that's going to come up. We actually went through RV Trip Wizard, which has been really fantastic. Planned out our route from actually all the way to New Jersey.
Mm-hmm. We also have to deal with my work schedule. Like I have meetings on certain days, so we can't really travel on certain days. And in the rest of our trip, we're going to try to only travel on like Sundays and Mondays.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't interfere too much with my work schedule. But because we're just kind of waiting for this paper to show up, we're kind of, that really affects our, we don't want to stay until next Monday. We want to leave as soon as we can. So right now it's looking like that's going to be Friday. Crossing our fingers. I don't know why these papers would be taking so long just to come in the mail from one state to another, but who knows. So anyway, we're just doing our best to be patient. The weather is decent here in Albuquerque. It's at least sunny during the day. It's pretty cold at night.
Yeah.
But we're just ready. We're ready to get along with our trip. So yeah, that's kind of our status right now. And we're really excited to share more about what's coming up and the next few stops. We planned out our next leg and we're spending most of February in Texas. Like pretty much all of February is going to be in and around the Texas area before we kind of hightail it to New Jersey in March. We're doing like 3 days of travel, stay for like 4 days, 2 days of travel, stay for 4 days. 2 days of travel. So.
I should be traveling for 3 to 4 hours a day, just because it's a lot to like hook up and drive and then stop for
traveling
gas.
is exhausting.
It's exhausting. So
don't play with that.
Stop playing with that.
You're wrestling with papers.
What is this? Escapee's certificate of. Sorry.
Okay, that's our update.
It's a good update.
Hopefully by the time you watch this, we will be somewhere else.
Yeah, he's gone.
Please, Lord, let us be somewhere else. Not that we don't love it here. We like it here. We've just been here for a really long time.
We like it here. We love it here. We finally found a home.
What is that?
That's a cadence.
Oh,
a home.
Of course it is.
A home away from home.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Packed up. This is where we were staying. This is where we wanted to stay, right here. Just wasn't quite enough room. But we'll be getting out of their front yard pretty soon. This is your state. This is New Mexico. Yeah, good job. Woo! All right, boom.
Yes.
Checking off the list.
Nice. Okay. Cool. So we were finally able to leave Albuquerque today, and we got the truck registered. We went to the DMV last minute, like literally right before we left town, to go see if the titles had arrived, and the truck title had arrived. So we were able to get that done. We were more concerned about the truck than we were about the RV. So we're happy. And we're able to leave to go to El Paso to see Kyle. We stayed in Albuquerque a week longer than we originally anticipated, but it was good. It was a good week. It was good to have some extra time. But now we're headed back down to El Paso to go hang out with Kyle and watch him get promoted. So it's gonna be fun.